Okay guys, today I've got this Whirlpool Cabrio electric dryer. I'm going to do a little touch up on the top here, but otherwise, like new condition. And let me show you here on the inside. Got a full heavy load of jeans towels in there. You can see the lights working, all that. So what we're going to do is fire it up here. Lots of controls. You got heavy duty, normal, casual, and delicate. Those are your auto modes. And those are going to auto switch your heat settings, which is pretty cool. Otherwise, you can go down here to time dry and set it all manually yourself. Essentially, we're just going to do heavy duty. You've got an end cycle. Just hit go here. As you can see, it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. I'm going to grab my heat gun and show you that it is in fact heating. It's a surface temperature gun. Let me grab that. Okay, so how this works here, little two laser sights in between is where it measures your temperature. So just whatever you shoot it on, that's going to be the temperature. So we'll open this up and I'm going to shoot this right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. Get the picture for the ad there. And this little tube can get up to 300 degrees right here. That's normal. The inside of your dryer, however, is going to get anywhere from 95 to 195 once it heats up. Just depends on what you have the heat setting at. And people always ask me about this and this spot discoloration here. That's perfectly normal considering how hot it is. The heating element is directly under this. The heat comes up out this tube, and that's how your clothes get dry. So that's that. I'm going to let this finish up drying. Do a little touch up on this. You'll see in the pictures after the touch up paint that it looks brand new. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, the washers get a 28-point inspection. All the dryers get a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, everything gets tested and make sure it's in perfect working order before I list it up for sale. So y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching my video.